Hi guys, Yulianna is here. Today we're gonna talk about best ways to make money online. It's 2021 and I strongly believe it is the best time to start making additional income online than offline. I love making money online because I can work from any place around the world. I'm not stuck at the same location, I don't need to waste my time commuting to work, and I can do my task whenever I feel comfortable to do them. Before moving to Canada, I worked at the university. I had a very good and respectful position, but I still had to go to work daily and waste my time in the traffic while commuting, waste hours between lectures if they were scheduled apart. So after moving to Canada, I wanted to find some source of income where I can manage my time by myself and I would be able to do it from any place around the world. Online is the best way to fulfill this goal. As you already understood, my main benefits working online are working from any location in the world, economize commuting time, and free scheduler. So you choose when to do your work. I will share with you different ways of making money online, and you can choose for yourself some from this list. Or maybe you have your own. If you decided to choose some ways to make money, but you figured out that you don't like doing that work, it's okay. Think about it as experience. I remember when I was a student, I had a job for a short time. I worked in one credit company where I had to encourage people to take a credit if they want to buy some appliances or some other stuff from partner shops. My office was on the 4th floor in the business center, and that building didn't have an elevator. The company was quite new, so I didn't have many clients coming to the office. Most of the time I had to sit alone at the office and just wait for clients. I felt like I was sitting and wasting my life there, daily from 9 to 7. I quit the job after a couple of weeks, but thanks to that job I realized that I would never be able to work for someone from 9 to 5 or any other work shifts. I wanted to feel freedom. The university job was much different because you have to show up for your lectures, but it's up to you where and when you wanted to prepare for that lectures. I feel more productive in the evenings, so it's more comfortable for me to work in the evenings than early mornings. I felt more free managing my own time when I feel to work and when I want to do something else. Let's see it from a different perspective. You are at a point A right now, but you want to go into point B. To be able to reach point B, you will make some mistakes along the way. And these mistakes will help you to get ready to be successful when you reach the point B. Let's start talking about different ways to make money online and choose the best for you. Number 1, it's teaching others. You can teach others some skills that you are master. For example, you are good in photography, so you can teach others some tips and tricks. Or you know some additional language, or even your native language that you can teach to someone who is an immigrant and just moved to your country. My friend moved to Canada a couple of years ago, and she is currently taking private classes with one lady who teaches her English language online twice a week. Both of them find time that suits them best. And the great part in doing it online is that her teacher spent summer in a different country, but they still could have their lessons regularly. Second, digital products. You can create any digital product and sell it online. It is much easier than creating a physical product. When I thought that I want to do business, my first thoughts were to sell something. Okay, what to sell? I wasn't ready to invest much as I feel more comfortable playing on the safe side rather than taking risks. To be more specific, I was ready to invest the minimum possible. So I thought, how about selling something where I invest only my time? I wrote an ebook and I published it on Amazon and Apple Store. When I checked my profile after a couple of days, I was surprised. I had already made some sales. I didn't advertise it much. I only shared it on my Facebook page, which didn't have many followers at that time. This was how I understood that selling online can be a good source of income if you dedicate some time for it. The best part for it is that you can create your product once, but you can sell it for unlimited times. You can create your course in audio, text or video format, and again, you invest your time only once. Then you market it and you sell it to as many customers as you can. Third way, video editing. I am not talking about regular video editors, but more about editing short videos. Nowadays, almost all popular platforms have short type of video format, such as shorts on YouTube, reels on Instagram and Facebook, and TikTok videos. All of these videos should show a story or an idea in a short period of time, and there is really not enough good editors who can make these styles of videos. There really is a high demand of those professionals who can make it. So if you wanna try it, just do it. It's not that hard. Just start watching some popular videos to try to figure out which parts are catchy and try to repeat the same style in your editing. Next one, social media manager. This is a very hot topic. I already talked a lot about it in a couple of my previous videos, so I don't want to repeat the same information here. I will just attach the link so you can watch those videos. Shortly, you can help different companies, business owners, or even non-profit organizations to have their social media presence and interact with their followers. All you need to do is to create some fresh content at least once a week, reply to comments and share in some proper groups if applicable. I regularly get requests from business owners, politicians and different types of organizations to help them with their social media channels. So these types of services are really in high demand. You can do it when you have time to do it, and you can do it from anywhere you like. You can schedule posts directly from Facebook or use special apps which will help you schedule posts. It can be the same post on different platforms, or you can choose different posts for different platforms. Next one, Ads Manager. It's very similar to the previous one, but your main task here is to create and post ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or anywhere else where your clients want to show their ads. You need to know how to place the ads, analyze their competitors, find some catchy words for the ads, and actually create these ads in different styles. Every business owner wants to sell more. If using your services will bring more profit to their company, believe me, you can make a really good amount of money if you set some minimum payments plus percentage from sales. Next one, copywriting. If you like to write, you can offer services of copyright to someone who needs to have some good text. You can choose some niche and try to find clients in that niche, or just go on demand. Copyright services are needed when someone creates a new website, ads, social media posts, fresh blog posts to publish on their websites, etc. And the last one, create a website. It's a great opportunity to make money online. If you don't know how to code, no problem. There are so many different platforms which offer you drag and drop options to create your own website. You can use it. Your potential clients can be business owners, different non-profit organizations, politicians, and so on. Clients can provide you with all necessary information, or you can write some text by yourself, or hire some copywriter to do it for you and just organize different text and photos in a nice way to make it look attractive on the website. These were the top 7 ways to make money online. You can do all of them without any special knowledge. Just choose which way works best for you and start learning more about it. 1 week of learning and practicing should be enough to feel comfortable of selling your services. Good luck! If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.